Hey everyone, can you feel it? Spring is finally here. The flowers are blooming, the birds are singing, and the housing market is doing its thing. It's time to take a look back at last month's housing market stats. I'm Ryan with Blue Coast Realty, and let's check out the March 2023 housing market update. All right, let's kick it off with some sales. In March 2023, we had around 122 sales. That's just below 20% than we had in March 2022. The dollar volume in March 2023 was just below 65 million, which is around 25% less than March 2022. There were 217 new listings in March 2023, which is just about a 7% increase compared to March 2022. So not a whole lot more inventory. The average price for a property in March 2023 was $530,000, which is just 6% decrease from March 2022. So that's very healthy, but that's still a solid average sale price. And it goes to show that the market in Sarnia-Lambton is in a great place. The sale to list ratio was at 98% in March 2023 compared to last year it was 112%. This is a great sign for buyers as they have a little bit more negotiating and some options. Now let's take a look at the individual areas of Sarnia-Lambton. In the north end of Sarnia, we had 70 active listings. 29 sold and 10 conditionally sell, with an average sale price of $585,000. Now let's look at the south end of Sarnia. Right down the highway we're going, we had 54 active listings, 42 sold, 9 conditionally sold, and an average sale price of $406,000. In Brights Grove, there's 14 active listings and 7 sold with an average sale price of $710,000. Now in Forest, 11 active listings, 5 sold, and an average sale price of $661,000. Great numbers for Forest. Now Plymouth, Wyoming, there was 36 active listings, 5 sold, and an average sale price of just over $1 million. In Petrolia, 11 active listings, 5 sold, 1 conditionally sold with an average sale price of $544,000. Now in Corunna, there's 27 active listings, 9 sold and 4 conditionally sold with an average sale price of $578,000. Now finally, our last area is St. Clair Township. We're gonna take Corunna out of there, and there's 40 active listings right now, 14 sold, 5 conditional, and an average sale price of $547,000. Now we've looked at all the areas, I want to give you my take of what we're seeing the market do right now. Sarnia-Lambton in a whole is still one of the best prices in southwestern Ontario. We have some of the best average family incomes in southwestern Ontario as well. So that's a lot we have going for us. Prices have only decreased by 6%. A lot of that is because of the new home construction hasn't been moving as much. So we're not seeing so many homes over that $1 million mark sell like we were seeing before. But the short of it is we still have a shortage of housing, really. We look at how many people are coming into Canada today. We look at the demand that we have every day here in Canada, especially in Ontario. They're not building enough units. They're not building enough single family homes. They're not building enough rental units. So I think no matter what at this point, we're still gonna see prices go back up. That's what we're seeing right now. We're starting to see some bids again, especially in that 600 and under price rate. So I say to a lot of people, maybe they're sitting on the sidelines right now, waiting for the market to do right now is get into the market, because you're gonna be really, probably looking back in 5 years from now and you're gonna say, I wish I would have bought then. Because everyone at the time when they buy, I find like, wow, that's expensive. I can't believe I paid that much. But they look back 5 years and they go, that was a great deal. So if you're thinking in the market, just get educated. Book an appointment with us or maybe another agent, and let's have a buyer intake. Let's go over your needs and wants and see if it is a good time for you to buy. And if it's not, we can get you on the right journey to get there. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hope that information was helpful, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.